Good afternoon, Robert. Big sister speaking from Buffalo. And I am here to help you solve your math problem from your homework, I believe it was. So I hope I copied the problem out properly. It's pretty simple once you know what you're doing. So what we're going to start with is this little section right here in the parentheses. First off, what we're going to do is just take that by itself and look at it the way it is. So 5.5 minus 7 over 2. So we're just going to look at that for now. What you want to do is you want to turn this mixed fraction into an improper fraction. And of course, the mixed fraction is a fraction with the number outside of the fraction. And the improper fraction is when the numerator is greater than the denominator, and it can be simplified. So what we're going to do is for the mixed fraction is we're going to take the 5, and we're going to multiply it by the 2 in the denominator, and we're going to add it to the 1 in the numerator, which gives us 11. The 2 is going to stay as the denominator, so you should get a fraction as 11 over 2. And then you're just going to drop down the 7 over 2, so you have 11 over 2 minus 7 over 2. Now, since both the denominators are the same, you don't have any major work to do further regarding that. So you just go ahead and subtract them, which gives you 4 over 2, which is also an improper fraction, and that can be simplified into just 2. So what we're going to do next is, since we solved what was into parentheses, we're just going to rewrite this problem, but instead of writing all this mess in here, we're just going to write 2, make it easier to look at. So that's just going to be 27 minus 3 times 2. And as you probably learned in your order operations, we're just going to solve this now. So we're going to do the 3 times the 2, which is, of course, 6. So we're going to rewrite this as 27 minus 6. And just go ahead and solve it out as it is, and then that should give you 21. And that's how you solve the second problem. And I'm going to edit in how to do that's how you do your first problem. I'm going to edit in your second problem.